With me in the studio now is Amruta Fadnavis. Amruta is a social activist. She's very active as a commentator, as a writer, as a social activist. She's been a former banker. But now she finds herself in the middle of a massive political controversy, and this is what it's about. The political spat over the Mumbai drug bust really got very ugly this morning. Nawab Malik, cabinet minister and of the NCP, has attempted to drag Amruta Fadnavis, who's wife of Devendra Fadnavis, former chief minister, into the controversy. What happened? This is what has happened, and then we'll talk to Amruta Fadnavis herself. Let's take a look.
Maharashtra Cabinet Minister and NCP leader Nawab Malik has now accused the former CM and his wife of links with drug peddlers. These were his tweets. Devendra Fadnavis took on Nawab Malik and said the real blast will be after Diwali.
पूरी टीम ने हमारे साथ उस समय फोटो खिंचवाया। ये 4 साल पहले का फोटो है, इसलिए मेरे पत्नी के साथ का फोटो जानबूझकर उन्होंने ट्वीट किया है। उन्होंने एक फुलझड़ी जलाई है तो बम तो फूटेगा और दिवाली के बाद फूटेगा। नवाब मलिक इनके अंडरवर्ल्ड के साथ क्या संबंध है, इसके सबूत मैं आपको भी दूंगा।
While Nawab Malik has refused to tone it down and says, "Hai tayyar hum," Amruta Fadnavis, who was targeted by NCP Minister Nawab Malik, is now breaking her silence. This is the debate exclusive.
Amruta Fadnavis, welcome to the Republic Studios. Thank you for coming.
My pleasure to be here.
And you know that you're in the middle of another controversy. Every day Nawab Malik throws an arrow at someone. Now he's thrown it at you. You've seen what he's said. He's essentially trying to say that you are connected with people who are deep into the drugs business. And he's tweeted a picture also today. Can I have your broad response to the charge against you? He's used a picture of yours with someone called Jaideep Rana.
Yes.
Who he says is in jail in connection with the drug trafficking case, and who he says is known to you, and therefore he says he's therefore proven that you've got some links, you and Devendra Fadnavis have some links to the drug business yourself. This is at least the insinuation that he's trying to make. Do you know this person? What is this all about?
Actually, I feel I know no one in the MVA government as of now with the kind of issues they are coming out with, which have no public relevance. I must go back to a few years down the line when I got connected to few NGOs in Mumbai, wherein they were doing very good social work for environment or otherwise. And River March was one among them, which is a public movement to save the Mumbai rivers, 4
Right.
Mumbai rivers. I must mention them: Meethi, Dahisar, Poisar, Oshiwara. These 4 rivers, which were rivers some time back, since last 25 years with the depleting conditions, we the citizens of Mumbai are calling it these rivers nalas. So this public movement is for rejuvenating these rivers. They approached me, showed me the condition on photographs and AVs of how the river conditions are in Mumbai. Plus I visited many places which were connected to these rivers, river beds and all. And in these places, 2 places I should mention. One was Appapada mein, there's this Kranti Nagar in Kandivali East. It was infested with dead animals. It was infested with encroachments, with plastic and other waste material. So much so that the river even couldn't flow. It was stagnant and gone. It was like a bed of waste. Other area which I still remember is Dhobighat, which is in Tabela.
But who's this man on the screen, the person whose picture is putting out there?
Let me tell you the story, then it comes to him. So I decided along with the River March people that we should bring this to the notice of the BMC commissioner then, Ajoy Mehta, also the person in charge of mangroves, Mr. Vasudevan, and we could give them some pointers which would help them to improve the conditions of rivers, including beautification, tips regarding beautification and STPs, ETPs, which we did. And thankfully, after this, they floated tenders for improvement of the condition of Mumbai rivers. In fact, I must say, 2005, July 26, there was a massive flood in Mumbai, rivers were flooded and life was in havoc. During that time also, after 1 year in 2006, Chitale Commission gave a report that these 4 rivers need to be rejuvenated, otherwise it will be dangerous for a Mumbai citizen to live. But after 2006 also, no action was taken by the government to put in tenders to beautify or to remove.
So you're
the
saying you were
encroach-
doing this for a social and environmental cause?
Definitely, and it took River March, it took Isha Foundation, which comes later. It took people like us to come forward and move the system to call for tenders. The tenders came first during Devendraji's time and then they are continuing now. But it took 10 years since 2006 of Chitale Commission for this work
So
to start.
I have no doubt about the fact that you were looking at this from a social and environmental perspective. Who's this person? You see, Nawab Malik is saying there's a man called Jaideep Rana. Jaideep Rana is in jail with a drug trafficking case. There is one still picture of you with Jaideep Rana. And the claim on that basis, he's saying, I want a CBI inquiry into the links of Jaideep Rana with you. And he says Jaideep Rana was the finance head of that Mumbai River Anthem project, where you were the lead singer. And this itself proves that there are some links.
Right.
So I need you to explain that and answer that.
Right. So during this this follow-up of ours with BMC and other departments, we also thought that there's a need for awareness to be created among people. And like a few days earlier, we had met Isha Foundation people, Sadhguruji.
How is Isha Foundation involved
They
in
are
this?
involved in Rally for Rivers, which is doing
Was this
similar
part of the
thing.
Rally for Rivers movement?
Yeah. So
Are you saying this was part?
No, let
No,
me
it wasn't.
speak. Rally for Rivers had done a similar song for awareness, O Nadi Nadia, which is on Sadhguruji's handle on YouTube. This was done by the person later we roped in, which was Sachin Gupta and his assistant Jaideep. So it was the Isha Foundation, because of which we believed in the credibility of them. We saw their work already.
So they had worked with Isha Foundation earlier?
Yes, Isha
Who?
Foundation
Who had
did.
worked? What's it called?
Sachin Gupta and his assistant Jaideep, who is the man in question today, who later got arrested after 4 years of this rush.
So Sachin Gupta had also worked with the Isha Foundation earlier?
Yes, he made a
And
big
was
song.
this Jaideep also part of that when they worked with Isha
Yes,
Foundation?
they
Was
were
Jaideep
together.
also involved?
Yes, they were always together. Secondly, in this song of Isha Foundation, so many actors, so many singers. Even I was asked to sing one line. Devendraji sang one line for River, Oh Nadi Nadia. It was that kind of a song.
So I'm sorry, but can I just understand this, Ms. Fadnavis? What's the drugs angle here? I mean, how do you get dragged? We have seen over the last 1 week that ever since Shah Rukh Khan's son was arrested, Nawab Malik every day comes and links someone and someone and someone, and now he's trying to target you. Do you think he's targeting you? Do you think he's targeting Devendra Fadnavis by
is-
doing so? What's the intent here? What's your response? On the basis of a still picture and the fact that you sang in a song in which one of the people who were part of the crew of the production house or whatever is in jail, on that basis there's an attempt to link you.
Yes,
You understand how serious this is?
yes.
You understand the seriousness of the charge that he's trying to put, whether or not he has the evidence.
Yeah, definitely it's
So
serious.
how-
That's
how-
why you have called me
Yeah,
here.
so
and
what do you
I
think of
really
that?
want to take it ahead from here also.
Yeah.
My part of narration doesn't end here. So this director and his person who had made this song for Pujaniya Jaggi Vasudev ji, we liked his work, and River March decided that we want him to join us, him to be roped in for an awareness song for Mumbai rivers, which were dying and which are still dying.
Yes.
And we did it. That guy, the Sachin Gupta, the director, whose assistants this guy was, they did it for free because it was for Mumbai's people. It was for betterment of our lives.
Yeah.
It was for betterment of our future. In fact, if you see the song which we made subsequently, there was no star, no superstar. Who were the participants in that song, that video? There were Dabbawalas.
Yeah.
Then there were Machwari, जो मछुआरा community के लोग आए थे.
No, I know that, but the more I'm listening to you, Ms. Fadnavis, it's sounding more and more bizarre. Then on the basis of a still picture that has been taken by a person who was part of the overall crew of the group who produced this river anthem, you're being accused of links with the drugs industry. I mean, this is, why have you been made the target? Why have you been made the target?
It's very simple. It's very simple. He cannot point out a single problem with Devendra Fadnavis. Then he tries to find out with some other relatives, his wife, he doesn't get it. Then he catches hold of this photo, which is 4 years back. The person is suffering now in jail for whatever he has done. He's a punter, so he's suffering. But this guy needs a reason to point out at us, because he feels अगर मेरे में दाग लगे हैं तो इन पे भी दाग लगे. हम सब ऐसे चोर हैं तो ये भी चोर कहलाए, और कोई बात नहीं है. It's the
only
only
mentality. Are you going to take it lying down? Are you going to take it lying down?
Never, not at all. Otherwise, I wouldn't have come here. Because when you sincerely work for a cause with no expectation other than working for the betterment of the environment of city, they are not applauding us, it's fine. From day one, they trolled the song. That's fine. But today, if they are linking it to drugs, it is a serious offense by the Bigda Nawab, and his naqab will definitely come out soon.
Okay, so now he's trying to, his attempt, viewers, Amruta, his attempt is to say that he's trying to drag you, and through you, your husband Devendra Fadnavis, former Maharashtra Chief Minister, into the overall, the whole controversy on drugs. And we've seen this over the last few days. Tell me, at any point of time, have you or your husband Devendra Fadnavis or anyone else tried to help this man get out of jail or fight his cause? Has there been any link directly between anyone and this person, Jaideep Rana?
You know, I had to write down this guy's name because he was not even the director. One of the crew members who generally I've shot in many videos. The crew members click click photos with the artists. That's what that time also was done. So I had to write down the name to even remember it. I remember the River March people who roped him in because I was in touch with them always for these activities. But this person was a 2-day activity for me. This shooting went on for 2 days. That's why I didn't even know his face properly. After seeing the face and someone reminding me, I could recollect.
What was your reaction when you saw this tweet when the news came out?
That was bizarre. That was stupid. I mean, Maharashtra needs so much of work in every area, and they are running behind a lady just to target her husband. Is this manly? Has the manliness gone off?
You think they're targeting you to simply get at Devendra, to square off politically?
Definitely. Otherwise, there's no other reason.
Why do they want to target? Why do they want to target?
As I said,
Mr. Fadnavis,
when there is a herd of corrupt people, they want to make, or at least let others feel that one who is at least completely white has some spots on him, and they feel happy. It is a devilish happiness, nothing else.
Devilish happiness. Ms. Fadnavis, I'll request you to stay because I have to take a short commercial break. But on the other side, viewers, Devendra Fadnavis said today, and that I'm not going to take this lying down. I'm going to have he said, I'm going to have a post-Diwali explosion on Nawab Malik. Now, what's that going to be? We'll continue this chat with Amruta Fadnavis on the other side of the short break. And also when I come back, viewers, many more details of the Vaze Parambi racket, the details of which, the level of rot of which is still, ladies and gentlemen, unraveling. Also a reminder, Deshmukh is still being questioned. Vaze is in Mumbai police custody, and the police themselves say they are ashamed of what has been going on in Mumbai. Big debate coming up next. Banker, singer, social worker, Amruta Fadnavis, who's also the wife of former Maharashtra Chief Minister Devendra Fadnavis, is with me, continues to be with me live in the studio. Thank you, Amruta, for staying on. And this is the context. I'll just tell it to all the viewers who are joining right now. Viewers, this morning, Maharashtra minister, the controversial, every day he puts out something. This is the picture Nawab Malik put out of Amruta Fadnavis. Now, the still picture, the man there is a person called Jaideep Rana, and he's in jail now for drug trafficking charges. Amruta Fadnavis happened to be recording a song to save 4 of Mumbai's rivers that go through Mumbai. And it so happened that this individual was one of the people in the crew of the production people who were running the song, who were organizing the recording of the song. There's no direct connection with him, but of course, Nawab Malik being Nawab Malik drew all the conclusions he wanted to at that time. Tell me, Amruta Fadnavis, I asked you whether you're going to take this lying down. Do you intend to take any action against Nawab Malik for this?
Definitely, you'll see it in the coming days. That would be from my side personally. I am not aware what politically actions would be taken. That's their game. But this is my action which I will take as an individual, as a self-respecting banker, singer, social activist who wants to work for the society relentlessly.
So you're saying you're doing this on your own. You're not. This is not political action. This is Amruta Fadnavis's response.
As an
this is
individual,
is not a BJP supported response or
no BJP, no
a proxy
party.
for Devendra Fadnavis. You on your own.
This is me on my own, and this is more for the people who have worked without any expectations, the machuaras, the dabbewalas, who joined hands with us to showcase the bottlenecks. This is गाली दी है नवाब मलिक जी ने इन लोगों को, और इसका जवाब आई विल गिव पर्सनली.
मगर क्या आप इसको मतलब जैसे लोग समझते हैं कि आप डर जाएंगे, उन्होंने आपकी तरफ पत्थर फेंका है तो शायद आप हट जाएंगी. आप लोग ये भी कह रहे हैं कि some people are saying that, you know, if you take on Nawab Malik, he'll throw more stones at you. Is that the way you think?
See, he has to see his house first, which is made of glasses. My house is spick and span, so I'm not worried.
You're saying he should be worried.
He should be worried.
But you're not going to just let this go.
Personally,
I'm
and for
asking
people,
you personally.
Personally, and for people who have participated without any expectations in this rejuvenation project, I'm doing this for them.
Ms. Fadnavis, is it the first time you've been targeted? Even way back in 2018, there was a comment from you where you had said, I agree I'm a soft target, but that does not make me soft.
Since I have come to Mumbai, I have been targeted for some reason or the other. It can be just a bindi, it can be just a gesture, or n number of reasons are there for which I have been targeted, but I do not mind since it was on personal level. But this was a social activity, and that's why I will retaliate.
So you're used to being targeted. I mean, why? You think it's to get at your husband?
That might be one of the reasons, that point of time. And another reasons is women who speak up get targeted at times in our society.
How does this, I mean, just explain this in this context of the present.
When you have a viewpoint, you get targeted. When you are working for some cause, and especially when you are politically connected, they want to bog you down because they want to showcase the whole family as a family which is just working for some kind of money or fame. But when you are working without any intentions, that cannot be digested by people.
So you're saying the expectation from you is that you should not have been a professional, you should not be in a senior position in a bank, you should not have any occupation of your own.
That's what I feel. But all this goes personal. I have taken it very positively, but this time no, because it's on my credibility as a social worker, as the credibility on the work of the people who have joined us. Isha Foundation, it's a dot on their, this thing on their credibility. It can be River March, it can be Rally for Rivers. These all are working towards rivers.
What you've just said, you've said that Isha Foundation, while making its video, used the same people to work for them.
Yes.
So by that logic, is Nawab Malik trying to put questions at the Isha Foundation as well?
They would not, because politically they would not gain out of them. In fact, they would lose votes. So Devendra ji was a better target for them.
Now Devendra Fadnavis has said today that, he said that, I have the quote here, he said that Nawab Malik has dropped a Lavangi Pataka. I will drop a bomb. I will drop a bomb after Diwali. What does that mean?
So as I said, I'm individual and I'm different from Devendra Fadnavis, the politician. I do not know politically what games are going on, and I am towards Devenji's side in this too, because I know he's towards the right side. But other than this, I'm not aware of this Lavangi or Fuska Fataka. I have no idea. I'm talking
He said
about
he will burst a bomb after Diwali.
Let's see, Diwali is just
Round the corner.
Round the corner.
Round the corner. But you seem absolutely unflappable. You seem unnerved. You seem confident. Thank you for coming and putting your point of view.
Thank you so
Thank
much,
you so
Arnav,
much.
for
Thank you.
having me.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Thank you, Amrita Fadnavis. Thank you so much. Thank you.